Welcome to Nizar Jabber Garage channel. In this video, you will see how to protect your Word files with a password. So the first thing you need to do is click on File, then Info, and then you need to click on Encrypted Password. You choose your password, you click on OK, and then you need to type in again the password to confirm it. Once it's done, you just can try it out. You exit from the file, you open it again, and it will ask you the password to access the document. And this is how it's done. Subscribe to my channel not to miss my new videos and learn new things that can make things easier for you. And if you happen to have a hard time to create your own CV, then check out my online shop where you can find different CV templates that come in different styles and colors. Each CV package includes the CV in 1, 2, or 3 pages, a cover letter, and a reference page. You'll be able to download the files after the purchase. To enter in my shop, you can scan the QR code at the end of the video or copy the link in the description. Thanks for watching and subscribe.